Technology dimension of information system. Now the third thing. Now see over there. So we talk about organization. There are different levels over there. We talk about the management. That manager should think about the strategies. Okay, and the plus operation as well. But like this one, the technologies. Now we will look for the what is the relation of information system with the technology over there. So now we see the management, the technology dimension. Now we say technology dimension of information system. So the technology dimension, the perspective over there of the information system, that yes, you need computer hardware, software, right? So these are important things in technology. You need data management technology, because today you will have like a few kilobytes of data, but tomorrow you will have like a gigabytes of data, or maybe the terabytes of the data. So how to manage this thing? Okay, so these are easily replaceable, computer hardware and software. These are updates are there, but data you have to manage. This is very important, as I already told you in my early lecture as well. And apart from that one, connection is important. That how you're going to connect your hardware and your like software. So you need a networking and telecommunication technology over there. You need an internet, you need a network. You might be needing the intranet or extranet. Intranet means the internet between two buildings. Okay, so we call like internet, or we call it the metropolitan network as well. Okay,
Okay.
extranet is extension of a big network. Okay, so like, and then world wide web, you already know about it, so no need for discussion over there. So in technology, what in IT infrastructure provides platform that system it builds on. So what are them? Some are tangible and some are non-tangible. So computer hardware is a tangible and software is a non-tangible. We have it. So technology is also a broad term, but like information system is more broader. Information. So there is a difference between the technology information system. So if someone asks you what is the difference between technology information system, so you say that technology is purely about like hardware and the software over there, but information system is like about these things. Information system is about technology. This is one perspective, but it is another perspective is the management over there, and the third perspective is organization as well. Okay, so there are three different perspective of it.